Hello students, today we are going to discuss some questions regarding application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so here you can see the question: ABC is a right angle triangle at B such that AB equals to BC, such that AB equals to BC. Prove that AC square equals to AB square. Okay, so first of all you can see the questions. So ABC is a right angle triangle means this is the questions. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABCG right angle triangle and and ABCG right angle triangle. So suppose you can see here, so AB equals to BC means this is AB equals to BC. It's the sides are equal. Okay, so we need to prove AC square equals to twice the AB square. So we can write here given means we can write here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle such that ABC is a triangle such that angle B equals to what? 90 degree. Okay, angle B equals to 90 degree. Now we need to prove here. We need to prove. So AC square equals to what? AC square equals to 2AB square. Okay, so here is the proof. So we can apply here Pythagoras theorem because this is the right angle triangle, and that's why we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. This is the right angle triangle. No. So AC square equals to what? AB square plus BC square. Okay. So we can write here in right angle triangle ABC, AC square equals to what? AB square. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So this is the due to Pythagoras theorem, and you can observe here AB equals to what? AB equals to BC is already given, so that's why AB equals to BC is already given. So we can write here AB square equals to AB square plus BC square equals to AB square because AB equals to BC. Okay, so AB square plus AB square. So we can write here AC square equals to what? 2AB square. That is we need to prove, students. So this is the questions. You can see we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, and we proved AC square equals to twice the AB square, because you can see this is the right angle triangle, but it is also isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. That's why this is the result of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so you should always keep it in your mind. And next question we will discuss the same question, that is the just reverse of these questions. Okay, so a little bit change in the question number 2. Question number 2 is what? ABCG isosceles triangle. Okay, ABCG isosceles triangle. ABCG isosceles triangle such that okay, so ABC is a right angle triangle such that that is what? Such that we can write here is AB equals to BC, such that AB equals to BC and AC square equals to twice the AB square. This is the already given in the question. Okay, AC square equals to twice the AB square. Okay, so we need to prove here angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, we need to prove here angle B equals to 90 degree, and you can observe here ABC is a triangle such that B equals to 90 degree and AC square equals to AB square. You can write here AC square equals to twice the AB square. Okay, so we can follow this question like this way. Suppose here like this way. Suppose AC square equals to 2AB square is already given. Okay, AC square equals to AB square. In the place of AB square, we can write here AB square plus some rectification in the question number 2. That is the given part. Okay, you can see angle B is 90. This I already mentioned in given. That is the wrong. Okay, you should correct it. You should not write
angle B equals to 90 degree, angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, because we need to prove it B equals to 90. So by mistake I written B equals to 90 in the given part. So please rectify it. Okay, thank you.
to 90 due to what? CPT. CPT stands for converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, students. So this is the question. That is a very important question. This is the question regarding the what to say result of isosceles triangle. Okay, so you should keep it in mind. And next question, I am discussing about the next question. That is the another question of this topic. So suppose, okay students, this is the fourth number questions. Okay, so you can see here ABCDJ rhombus prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus CD square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay, so you can as you know that ABC rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and the diagonal are bisect each other at a right angle. Okay, and it means we can write here and diagonal are also bisect each other. Okay, so we can write here this is the 90 degree and this is the 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Okay, so we need to prove here thus AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square equals to AC square plus BD square. Okay, yes, we need to prove here AB square plus BC square plus, yes. Next, so first of all we can write here what is the part of given in the question. So we can you can see ABCD is a rhombus and we can apply here the property of the rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, so rhombus means all sides are equal and diagonal are bisect each other at a right angle. Understood now? So next we need to prove here we need to prove here what we need to prove AB square in the place of AB square in the AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square equals to AC square plus BD square. Okay, AC square plus BD square. So this is the part of proof. So we will apply the concept of Pythagoras theorem. We will have to write one of the statement. We know that diagonal of rhombus, we know that diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other at right angle. Okay, at right angle at 90 degree. Okay, so we can write here and we can write here what OA equals to OC equals to AC by 2. Okay, and here OB equals to OD equals to BD by 2. Okay, and AB equals to BC equal to CD equals to AD. All sides are equal. So first of all we will have to take one of the triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, you can see, so there are 4 right angle triangle in rhombus. You can see here. Now we are going to prove the questions. Okay, so here is the proof part. Okay, so first of all we will have to take the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. You can see here. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. So we can write here what in triangle AOB. We can write here in right angle triangle AOB what. So this is the 90. So we can write here AB square equals to what? AB square equals to OA square plus what? OB square. Okay, so this is the due to Pythagoras theorem and AB. Okay, it's our okay. So AB square and in the place of OA we can write here AC by 2. Okay, we can write here AC by 2 and in the place of OB we can write here what? Oh, we can write here BD by 2. Okay, BD by 2. So you can, here is the AB square and here is the AC square by what? 4 and here is the BD square by what? 4. So you can multiply 4AB square equals to what? AC square plus BD square. So 4AB square we can write here what? AB square plus AB square plus AB square 4 times. Okay, so AB square plus AB square plus AB square. So you can see AC square plus, here is the AC square plus BD square. So AB is equals to BC and AB also equal to CD. So AB also equal to AD. So we can replace here the value of AB square. Okay, so here is the BC because AB equals to BC, and here AB equals to CD also, and AB equals to AD also. So student, here is the AC square plus what, BD square. Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, so you should always remember the questions, because this is a very important part. And as you know that so many questions are exist in this type. Suppose the side of the length of diagonal is given, then question is that find the length of side of the rhombus. Suppose this is the questions. Okay, so you should solve the questions in this questions. Okay, suppose you can see, suppose AC, one of the diagonal is given, AC equals to suppose 12 centimeter. Okay, and the BD equals to what, BD equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, so find side of rhombus, find sides of rhombus. Okay, so this questions. Okay, next question you can see AC. Okay, and next is AC square, AC equals to, and next AC and BD. Okay, AC and BD. So here is the AC is 6 and here BD is 8. So you can find the length of sides. Okay, next questions. Question third, that is the AC equals to 16 centimeter, and BC equals to, sorry, AC equals to 16 and BD equals to 8, and here is the, and 12 centimeter. Okay, so you need to find here what, length of sides. Okay, and next is AC equals to 16 centimeter, and BD equals to what, BD equals to 20 centimeter. You need to find what is the length of sides of rhombus. Okay, students, so please apply the concept of rhombus, and please try to find what is the length of side when the diagonal is given. Okay, so you should try some more question from the your textbook. Okay, so okay, thank you. Okay, this is the questions. Okay, you can see in an equilateral triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AD square equals to 3ABD square. Okay, so this is the equilateral triangle. You can see, and as we know that the equilateral triangle, if all the sides of triangle are equal, then we call them equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is the AB, this is the AC, and this is the BC. All are equal. Okay, so we need to prove here AD square equals to here AD square equals to 3BD square. Okay, so first of all we will have to write the given part. What is the part of given? So for given is what, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, ABC is an equilateral triangle, Okay, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, and equilateral triangle, and AD perpendicular to what, BC. AD perpendicular to BC. So to prove, we need to prove here what, we need to prove here that AD square equals to, AD square means altitude square equals to, this is the altitude, and we can write here 3 into BD square. Okay, so first of all we will have to take the value of AD square. Okay, so it is possible. Suppose you can see here AD square in triangle, this in triangle right angle triangle ADB, we can write here what, AB square equals to what, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Okay, AD square plus BD square. This is due to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we need here AD square. So this is the AD square. So the AD square equals to, we can write here AD square equals to what, AB square minus BD square. Okay, so this is the equation number 1. and we need AD square, okay, it's okay, and we need BD square, it's okay. We will have to remove AB square, okay, we will have to remove AB square because in this question, इस क्वेश्चन पे देखिए यहाँ पे हमको BD स्क्वायर चाहिए, AB स्क्वायर को हमको हटाना है, ठीक है। हम लोग हटाने वाला फंडा हम लोग क्या करेंगे, स्टार वाला W स्टार इसमें प्लेस कर देते हैं। AB स्क्वायर हटाने का एक ही ऑप्शन है, वी कैन सॉल्व लाइक AB स्क्वायर को हम लोग हटाने के लिए क्या हमको चाहिए, क्या AD स्क्वायर, ठीक है। तो ये रहा AB स्क्वायर, और AB स्क्वायर जो है किसका इक्वल है, BC स्क्वायर का, AC स्क्वायर, उसको AC स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, ओके। हम लोग उसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, AC स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हैं, और इसमें तो कोई रिलेशन है नहीं इसका, तो इसको हम लोग ऐसा लिख देते हैं, AD स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AB in the place of AB we can write here AC square because sides are equal, that's why. So AB square minus BD square, this is the equation number 1, okay. So now we will take the right angle triangle ADC. So in right angle triangle ADC, we can write here AC square equals to what, AC square equals to AD square plus CD square, AD square plus CD square. So here is the AC square, so we will have to remove it. So we can write here from equation 1, it will become what, from equation 1 it will become, in the place of AC square you will have to put here. So we can write here AD square equal to the value of AC square, AD square minus, sorry, the value of AC square, that is the value of AC square, that is the AD square minus AC square minus BD square, okay, it's okay. So if we will remove AC square, so AC square we can write here AD square minus AD square plus CD square, okay, AD square plus CD square, okay. So here is AD square plus CD square, and here minus BD square, okay. So I think AD square will be cancelled, and CD square equals to, yes, so we can write here what, AD square will be cancelled, and here we can write here CD square equals to BD square, and the CD equals to BD, that's why we can write here CD equals to BD, okay. So CD equals to BD is here, so CD is equals to BD, and BD equals to what, half of the BC by 2, and BC is equals to what, AC, and AC is equals to what, AB, okay. So it is the very turning point for these questions, this is the turning point for the question. So CD equals to BD, BD equals to BC by 2. So we can put here, we can put the value of AC square is what, sorry, the value of AC square is what, AD square plus CD square, it's okay. And if we will put here AC square equals to what, half of the BD, because sorry, AC equals to BC and BC equals to AB. So in the place of AC we can write here what, in the place of AC we can write here twice the BD, okay. So twice the BD. So from equation 1 we can write here what, AD square equals to what, AC square, in the place of AC square we can write what, twice the BD square, okay, and twice the BD minus BD square. So BD square means what, AD square, and BD is 4 BD square minus 1 BD square, that is the 3 BD square. That is the proof, students, okay. So we need to prove it. So for you can solve by another way, okay, but here we use the Pythagoras theorem and we equate here. So here is the AD square will be cancelled because both are equals, that's why. And CD square minus BD square, and if the square is equal, then the square root is also equal. So CD equals to BD, and CD equals to BD, and it's equal to BC by 2, and BC equals to what, AB, and equals to AC, because this is the equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle, that's why. And we put the value of AC square, what, the value of AC is what, we can write here BD twice the BD, so that's why it will become here, okay. Thank you.